Jai Srimanarayana, 18th sloka of 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Avyaktat Vyaktaya Sarvaha Prabhavanti Aharagame Ratriyagame Praliyante Tatraiva Avyakta Saujñake Under the governance of Srimanarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma brought you out when it is his daytime. He helped you get this body based upon your karma. Fortunately, we got this human birth. But do not expect the same in your next life. Do not go for next life. Surrender to Srimanarayana and get rid of this cycle of birth and death. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Krishna, oh Srimanarayana, I realize that under your government, Chaturmukha Brahma helped me get this body. I do not go for next life. I do not go for next birth. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 10th Skandham, Dasama Skandham, 66th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Nanda Yasoda's house became a permanent staying place for Sri Krishna Paramatma and also a permanent staying place for Sri Mahalakshmi. Now, Nanda, he is now getting ready to go to Mathura in order to pay taxes to Kamsa. Before that, he gave the protection of Vrepalle, that responsibility to some of the Gopalas and went to Mathura. There Vasudeva upashrutya bhrataram nandamaagatam. Nanduni kanugoni pranamun pondina pondiyun pole poluparuchun ఆనందాశ్రులు కడకన్నులన్ క్రందుకొనన్ కేలున్ సాచి కౌగిటన్ చేర్చెన్. Vasudeva came to know that Nanda came to Mathura. Vasudeva felt very happy, as if he again became alive. Then Nanda, he paid taxes. Then he went to Vasudeva's house to visit Vasudeva. Vasudeva felt very happy to see Nanda with so much of happiness. While moving to happy tears, Vasudeva hugged Nanda. Then also Vasudeva respected Nanda very well, gave warm reception. After that, Vasudeva saying to Nanda like this, "Oh Nanda, santati ledani munu ఘనచింతనముల మునిగి ముదిసి చిక్కిన నీకున్ సంతతి కలిగెను భాగ్యము." You were worrying so much because you didn't have children. In this elderly age, now you are blessed with a child. You are so fortunate. I am very happy about that. Like that, Vasudeva talking to Nanda. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 8th chapter, 18th sloka. Avyaktat vyaktayas sarvaha prabhavanti aharagame ratriyagame praliyante tatraiva vyakta saujñake. Avyaktat vyaktayas sarvaha prabhavanti aharagame ratriyagame praliyante tatraiva vyakta saujñake. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.